are following me on Twitter, you will know about my apprentice that we have now, who's definitely brought some fun to the workshop. Great guy, don't get me wrong. He's learning slowly, but the banter's ace. So today you saw the confusion about breakfast. So every Saturday I buy breakfast for the guys, and when asking our apprentice if he wanted his sausage, spam, an egg, I think it was, did you want that on a muffin? On a muffin? A muffin's a fucking cake. No, it isn't. So that's how my day started off. We've had to do some English lessons in that an oven bottom muffin. Yeah, so doesn't have chocolate chips in it as he says muffins have. Anyway, so we got around the breakfast thing, that was no problem. Today is also, you know what we call today. Saturdays are can you just days, because quite a lot of people don't work on a Saturday. Obviously we do, so they pop round to the garage and it's a case of can you just, and it'll only take you 5 minutes. So, which is why I've not even had 5 minutes peace today to do any filming. So I'm updating you from home, still in my work clothes and still ready to get my PJs on, have some tea, etc. Or tea, yes, so tea is the afternoon stroke nighttime meal. Yeah, apprentice calls it dinner. Yeah, so even though his children have school dinners at dinner time, anyway, we'll get there in the end. It's all good fun. So today, what has happened today? Well, massive update. I did the dance. I did the jumping up and down on one leg because I've still got this stupid boot on my foot. Long story short, DVLA letter. Didn't get my hopes up as much as I do normally because obviously last time was the biggest letdown ever. So opened it, had a bit of a peek first. Yes, it's Betty's logbook. We have a registration for Betty. So that's when the party started, wiggling the letter round. I hadn't even looked at the reg. So excited to find, well, Betty's registration number is shite, if I'm honest. So it's probably my own fault because I put a little note in with the registration application just to say that this car is called Betty Blue. She's beautiful. She is going to be seen around. She's going to be on the internet. She may even end up on TV. So can we have, please, a decent registration to start with? That would just be fab. Thank you, Jodie from M&J. No, that's far too difficult, isn't it? So thanks to the DVLA person who found out that the registration for Betty would be this ridiculously shite one, which is that. Don't know if it's going to be the right way round or not. So MKU 431W. Muku 431W. Yeah, so deflated at that. Now, I don't know, that probably took more time to find that shite registration than it would to find a good one that would suit the car. So I don't know. I don't think I've shit in anyone's kettle or anything like that, because that's what it'd take for me to pick a registration as shite as that one. Never mind. So yeah, up here at first, dancing around like an idiot, to then find out that it's the shittest registration they could have found. So then phone our supplier. Guess what? I've got Betty's registration. They're all woohoo! Great guys at our suppliers know the story with Betty. So yeah, order me some number plates. So the guys that do the black and silver, the old Red Joes, they aren't open on a weekend, they're open on a Monday. So can you please order them on Monday then? Because I can't wait to get Betty on the road. And then I realised, you know what, actually, I'll just order some standard plates for now. They're not going to suit her, but I just want to get out there. So send me some standard plates, please, supplier. Yeah, great. What comes? That comes. Now, you'll probably remember that the registration I read out was Mike Kilo Uniform 4-3 1 whiskey. Seriously, I was certain they'd done it on purpose. So that's what they sent me. There's the invoice to prove it, and yes, you'll see there, needs crediting because Mikey is a Mong. Wrong registration. Mikey, you are a Mong. Correct registration, you'll see there, bless him, what is put on the bottom of the invoice. Remake and send, please, because I've made a boo-boo. You're not kidding, Mikey. Seriously, mate, I thought you'd done that on purpose. So, finally, we got the right reg, which is there. Now, sorry guys, but that's pants in it. It really is. So I'm going to go and have a shower. Then I'm going to have some tea and maybe a little tipple. And I'm going to have a look on the DVLA website for a plate that isn't as pants, that will suit Betty. It's my birthday soon, so it can be my birthday present for Betty. This hideous, now very smelly, disgusting boot is coming off on Wednesday. Whether they say it is or not, my appointment's on Wednesday. It's coming off. We're cruising. Next weekend, cruising. That's what's happening. So yeah, it's been a great, weird day. But we are this close. We are legal and we will be out. So keep your eyes peeled because you'll see us. I'm going to get out in Betty as much as possible. It's a shit time of year, salt on the roads, so I'm just going to have to make sure that she is very well sealed, which we know already. Just make sure there's no areas where it's cracked or a little bit where it's peeling off. Go over that, clean her every time she comes back in, which I'm more than willing to do because she's just so beautiful and she deserves it. So yeah, that's the plan. I can't wait, so excited. So I thought I'd update you. Registration documents are here, shite number plate, ridiculous supplier, and a Cockney apprentice. Oh, and if you heard that ticking noise in the background, that's my dog, it's his claws on the floor. I think you were doing a Michael Flatley impersonation before, so I apologise about that. But I'm not retaking this again. Okay, so thanks for tuning in. I'm sorry it's a short video, but I just wanted to let you all know that Betty is ready to rock and roll. As of Wednesday, when this comes off, we're out, we're driving, we're cruising. So I can't wait to start posting. Thanks guys. See you soon.